my channel. Okay, so for today's new video, we're going to be doing a line dance. It is a 32 count, 4-wall line dance with one tag at the end of the first wall. But before we get into the video, if you guys have been enjoying my videos, or if this is the first video you watch and you like it, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, and also please subscribe to the channel because it really does help, but it'll also help you guys to know when my videos come out. Okay, without further ado, let's get started. Okay, let's do it. So you're going to start with your right foot, and you're going to be transferring your weight from right to left. So you're going to step out right, then back to left. Now you're going to step on your right foot, bring it in, step, and then you're going to bring it up, your left foot out, left, right. So it goes right, left, step, left, right. So again, a couple times, ready, and right, left, right, left, right. Again, ready, and right, left, right, left, right. So you're transferring that weight. One more time. Here we go. Right, left, step, left, right. So for the counts are 1, 2, and 3, 4. Again, ready, and 1, 2, and 3, 4. So a little bit faster. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, and 3, 4. One more time. Ready, and 1, 2, and 3, 4. So your weight is on your right foot. From here, you're going to bring your left foot behind. You're going to go, here, I'm just going to need a little bit of space. So you go left, so that left foot's behind. We're going to step our right foot out. Now we're going to bring our left foot in front, then step the left foot out, bring your left foot behind again, bring your right foot out, and then bring the left foot in. So your left foot goes behind twice, and it goes in front once. So we go stepping out with that right foot. Sorry, you're not stepping out with your right foot. Your weight is on your right foot. You're going to bring your left foot behind. 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. So those are the counts for that step. So again, we just finished with our weight on our right. Left foot goes behind. 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. So that left foot touches in. So the whole thing from the top. Ready, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. One more time, a little bit faster. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Okay, again, a bit faster. 5, 6, 7, here we go. And 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Okay, one more time with that speed. 5, 6, 7, here we go. And 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Okay, so moving on. We just finished the move. Bring your left foot in. Now you're going to, I'm going to step back a bit. You're going to take 2 steps forward, right, left. So it's going to step right, left, and then a clap. So you go, and 1, 2. So you clap on 2. Again, ready, and 1, 2. And then you're going to repeat that, again, shuffling forward, right, left, clap, and 3, clap on 4. So it goes, and 1, 2, and 3, 4. Again, 5, 6, 7, here we go. And 1, 2, and 3, 4. So make sure it's right, left. So you take 2 steps forward each time you do it. Ready, and right, left, clap, right, left, clap. Okay, again from the top. And 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4. Good, one more time. towards your left, but you're going to step on your right foot. You're going to go right, then transfer your weight to left, and then again, step on your right, transferring your weight back to left. So we're making a half turn, turning towards our left. We step on that right foot, right, left, right, left. Now for this part, as you're doing the steps, your hips can go from left to right. So you go left, right, as you take the steps, the right step, making a half turn. So your hips go from left to right. So again, it is 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually, the counts are 5, 6, 7, 8, because we just finished the and 1, 2, and 3, 4. Step 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, whole thing from the top. Here we go. And a 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, next part. So you're going to use your right foot. So your right foot's going to be in front. Your heel is going to be down. The toes are going to be up. So again, that's your right foot. And you're going to step on it. So you're going to go 1. And now from here, you're going to pick up your heel. And your heel is going to go in front of your left leg. So it's going to go 1. And then you're going to bring it back down. And then you're going to bring it beside. And then you're going to do a step together step. So it goes 1 and 2 and. So you bring that right foot in front and then beside. And then you're going to do a step together step, which is a right, left, right. So again, that right foot, heel is down. You bring it in front of your left leg, bring it back down, and then kind of beside your left leg, and then we do a step together step. Right, left, right. So the counts are 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So again with the counts, it is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. That right foot's in front. Now from here, you're going to do the same thing on the left side. So you have your right foot in front. Now your left foot, heel is now in front. And you're going to bring that left foot in front of your right leg, then back down, and then beside, and then a step together step, left, right, left. So with that left foot, we go, what are the counts? 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. It is 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. And that is a left, right, left. So 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. So the whole thing from the top of the new part with your right foot. Ready, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Okay, so let's go from the part where we just finished with our weight on the right and we're about to bring our left foot behind. So, ready, and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Okay, next part, you're going to step out with your right foot. You're going to do a step touch. So right, left touch. So your toes are up, heels down. And then you're going to step to the left, left, right touch. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can add a body roll to this part if you want to. It's optional. So as you do the step touch to the right, your head will go to the right and then everything is just going to flow. So you tilt your head to the side, to the right, and then shoulders and everything else just flows with it afterwards. So with the body roll and the step touch, it would go 1, 2, same thing to the left, 3, 4. So again, it is 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you're going to make a quarter turn to your right and you're going to step together, step together. And you're going to go right, left, right, left. So the counts are 5, 6, 7, 8. So let's go from the 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Okay, with that right foot. 5, 6, 7, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 to the right. 1, 2 to the left. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So again, the footwork is right, left, right, left. So that is the whole dance. We'll do it from the top, and then I'll show you guys the tag. Okay, get yourself ready. And 5, 6, here we go. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8 to the right, and left, and 5, 6, 7, 8. So again, we just finished the dance, so now you're going to be doing the tag, because the tag is at the end of the first wall, and there's only one tag, so you won't have to do this again. So you're going to do a full turn to your right. You're going to go right, left, right, touch. So I'll show you how that looks. So turning towards our right, we go right, left, right, touch left. Same thing to the left, turning towards our left, we go left, right, left, touch. And it's left, right, left, touch right. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So feet are right, left, right, touch left, left, right, left, touch right. Now from here, your right foot is in. You're going to step your right foot forward. You're going to do step, kick with the left. Now, and it doesn't need to be a big kick, nothing too crazy, just a low kick. And then step back with that left foot, and then your right foot is going to touch back. So it goes 1, 2, kick with the left foot, 3, touch back. So we step right, left, left, touch right. So again, right, left, left, touch right, and then you're going to do it one more time. Right, left, left, touch right. That's the whole tag. So from the top of the tag, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Stepping with that right foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the feet are right, kick left, left, right, right, left, left, right. So from the first wall, let's go from the part where we do 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, with that right foot. Ready, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Left foot. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is it. That's the whole dance with the tag included. So that will be the last time you do the tag. So then we'd start the dance again after we finish the 1, 2, or sorry, yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then you start from the top. You'd step out with your right foot. 1. So let's do that. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. New wall, same dance, no tag. 5, 6, 7, and right foot. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, last time. New wall, same dance. We start with our right foot. And 5, 6. We're going to go a little bit faster. 5, 6. Here we go. And 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed today's new video. If you want to see this dance with music, please be sure to check out the link below. And if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a like. And of course, subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.